Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Pool from Cash App. The first thing I want you to do is log into Cash App. Come here on the left hand panel and click on Savings. And then from here you'll see your different savings broken down. And here you'll see your pool as well. So go ahead and click on your pool. And then you'll see here update goal, okay? So right now the goal is set to 69. To update, just come here, click on update goal, and then we have the option to update it itself or click on remove goal, which is what we want to do. We want to remove the goal entirely so that we can remove our pool from Cash App. So just come here and tap on remove goal, and then it'll give you this pop-up, right? A prompt to go ahead and confirm. Just go ahead and confirm this. Click on remove goal, and there you go. As you can see, our goal has been removed, and therefore our pool has also been removed from Cash App. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.